Hey, probably you've ever lost a phone and lost your contacts as well. Worry no more. In today's tutorial, that's what we're tackling. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button to be part of the conversation. Alright, these are the few things you have to take care of before your phone actually gets lost. You go to your contacts. I'm going to create a few contacts, around 5, the ones we're going to sample this procedure on. Let me make A, B, C, D. I make around 5. D. Alright, this will be enough for us. A, B, C, D, E. So you click the option keys and you go to manage contacts. In manage contacts, you click on import or export contacts. You select export. The first step will be choosing where to export your contacts to. So I'm going to use internal storage. You can use SD card anywhere you want. The exporting will be done after choosing where I want my contacts to be stored. So let's go back. We are now heading to our browser. In your browser, type in Google Contacts. I don't want to give you straight websites because they can be a little bit confusing. You just type in the keywords Google Contacts, Google Photos. That's fine. You just have to choose the website which is affiliated to Google. So in Google Contacts, you'll be prompted to put in your email address and your password, of course. So we're going to import contacts. The contacts in our phone book, we want to save them on our email address such that in case our phones get lost, we can access them remotely or we can access them from another device. Click select file. You choose my files. Then you have to choose the first option which blinks contacts. Remember, we exported our contacts to our internal storage, so that's the folder. You select it and click import. In just a minute, you can see all our contacts have been imported, A, B, C, D, E, as we saved them in our phone book. Alright, that done. Let's go and see how you really access your contact in case your phone gets lost. So supposing your phone is now lost, you bump into an internet cafe or just somebody along the street who can help you with their phone. You just go to your computer, open the browser. Let's browse as guest for you to get this well. You just go to your computer and you type in again Google Contacts. Just remember the keywords Google Contacts. You don't have to cram the whole website. You don't need to. Google Contacts and press enter. You select the first option affiliated to Google. Again, you'll be prompted to put in your email address. You have to be a little keen here. You have to put in the email address on which you exported your contacts to. You have to be keen. Supposing you have so many Google accounts, you have to be a little careful here. You go ahead and put your email address and then your password. And slam enter. So after logging in your email address, in just a second, your contacts will be right there on that window. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Have a good one.